Ladies, got no flow? Do you struggle with irregular periods? Well, let me introduce you to walnuts. All you gotta do for me is eat a handful of walnuts every day till you get 3 consistent cycles. Now, why does walnuts work? Well, they create heat in the body, which helps regulate blood flow, hence a cycle or period. So do this for me. And another simple tip that you can do is some acupressure. What I want you to do, and we're gonna do it together, is I want you to massage the rim of the ear. And I want you to do that for a couple minutes, a couple times a day. But we're going to do this together for the following minute. And so go and grab both ears and grab the rim and gently massage it at the speed that you want. And doing this for a minute can be very soothing and relaxing. If you go to our YouTube channel, you'll see 30 different acupressure points that we present, 30-day journey on helping regulate your cycle to keep you motivated, because I want you to have the best way possible to help have that flow in your life. Now, why does this acupressure point help with regulating flow? Well, a lot of times when we as women are stressed, we don't have a regular cycle. This acupressure point is super soothing. In fact, people of all ages and even children love this point. It relaxes the body, helps you improve your mental health, helps you to sleep well, and of course reduces cortisol levels. And as your cortisol levels are better balanced, then you have more available hormone and blood flow, whether it be FSH, LH, estrogen, or progesterone, to help you regulate that cycle. Keep this in mind, stay consistent with it, couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 regular cycles. Be sure to check in with your physician, and as your acupuncturist friend, I wish you all the best in being the best self that you can be here as a woman on the planet.